Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're on our way to check out a just listed 3-bedroom pool home. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, right here at 1755 Emerald Drive. Nice little corner lot. This is a pool home that was just listed for $359,900. It's kind of centrally located, close to downtown and everything. They are having an open house right now, so I'm probably going to do a voiceover. So you have this concrete side RV boat type parking around the corner. So also this is like an estate sale, inherited type property, so it's being sold in as-is condition, so kind of what you see is what you get. It's just a due diligence type deal, so we just make sure we do all our due diligence within the 10-day inspection period. Make sure there's no deal killers in there. All right, let's go on in and check it out. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 1977, 1,416 square feet. Sits on a nice corner lot. They're having an open house, so I'm doing a little voiceover. So this is like a inherited type property, so it's being sold in as-is condition, so it's kind of what you see is what you get. This does have a pool. There's a little slider out to the pool area. It is not a split floor plan, so all the bedrooms are on one side of the house. So you go down the hall, and the first room you hit is the guest bath. It's kind of all original laminate counters. You have bedroom number 2, which is kind of just the guest bedroom. Has a little closet. So you have the 3rd bedroom, the front of the house. Also has a little slider door closet. And then you have the master. Has a little slider out to the backyard pool area. It's a pretty decent walk-in closet, but there's a little water damage up in the top left-hand corner there that you might have saw. You have the master bath, solid surface counters, 1 sink, wallpaper, and the classic 70s shower. All right, let's go check out the pool. So the garage is 18 feet deep, has the laundry in the rear of it right there. Looks like they had some water issues or some plywood on the roof. So being that it's sold in as-is condition, it's all about doing our due diligence and getting our home inspection, making sure that we're good with the results, because we can cancel for any reason within that 10-day inspection period. So this is the little side RV boat parking. There's like a little building workshop type thing they put in the back. We don't know if it's permitted or not. Something that we would have to pull from the city just to make sure, because the wall over there is stuccoed, so it was an add-on at one point. So it's just something we would want to make sure that got permitted when it was done. A little rough around the edges with the paint. The cool deck needs work, of course. Pool's really small. It is a gunite pool, plaster pool, but it is a little bit rough around the edges for sure. You have some stucco to grade erosion of the house stucco, as you can see there. Pool equipment's also pretty old. Lots of paint and scrape. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on 1755 Emerald Drive. I will do a voiceover for the rest of the audio. This one was just listed for $359,900, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Anyway, I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.